Going on, everyone? Got a 2018 BMW 740. Okay, if you have an issue resetting the maintenance reminders, if it's telling you impossible when you try to do oil life, brake pad life, all that like that, you might have an issue with the date and time being incorrectly set on the vehicle. You need to correct that, and to do that, all you need to do is go into the iDrive settings here on the radio, and you're going to end up picking vehicle and go to iDrive. Okay, you're going to have to scroll up and down to find date and time. And right here, you're going to need to correct this. It's usually the date that's wrong. Like if it's 2024 right now, if this says 2022, something like that, it'll give you all kinds of issues when it's time to reset anything. So come in here and fix all this if you need to fix it. All right, we're all good with ours. And then give that a shot with your maintenance reminder reset. And if you need that, I have a video on that, so check that out. And hope this helped you out. And if it did, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. Let me know how I'm doing. And hope to see you again in another video.